Good morning, traders. New Zealand dollar, FSD, and swing trade tips and tricks. New Zealand dollar, FSD, and swing trade tips and tricks. We are on a monthly chart of the Euro New Zealand dollar currency pair, and we want to discuss New Zealand dollar, FSD, and swing trade tips and tricks. All right. So since 2012, we have noticed that since the end of 2012, we have noticed that the Euro or New Zealand dollar currency pair was consolidating between the level of 16977. In fact, if you are day or swing trading the Euro New Zealand dollar, I recommend that you note down those key levels. So since the end of 2012, okay, the Euro New Zealand dollar is consolidating between the level of 16977 and the level of 14902. So as I explained to traders before, whether you are using a MACD trading system or stochastic trading system or the most powerful trading method in the world, the price structure will determine, okay, the best, okay, the appropriate, okay, trading strategy that we must deploy. So it think of it like a screwdriver, okay? So different screw, you use a different screwdriver, all right? So that's what we do, all right? So you can use a big screwdriver for a mini screw, isn't it? So think of it that way. So the first thing that we want to check is the price structure, all right? So when we are talking about the price structure, we are talking about the market pattern, the rising channel, the declining channel, the horizontal channel. We are also talking about the 13 specific Elliott wave pattern. We are also talking about fractal pattern. All right. So the price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we will deploy. All right. So looking at the Euro New Zealand dollar now, I explained to traders earlier on today that I want to attract traders, forex traders that want to improve their forex trading. I'm looking for traders that have been struggling for years but are making some essential mistakes, some critical FX trading mistakes, and I just want to open their eyes so they stop making those mistakes. Those are the type of traders that I'm looking for. So if you know any trader like that, recommend this channel to them, all right? So they may start improving their FX trading. I'm not looking for speculators. I'm not looking for gamblers. I'm not looking for excitement, all right? Because I don't gain anything about the excitement, all right? My pleasure is when a trader says, George, I find your video useful. Then I will record more video. So if I'm posting video and I notice that traders do not like that subject, I move to another topic, okay? Move to another topic that is more interesting to traders. But I will not record video that are just exciting, all right? All right? So, please, all right? It's consolidating between the level 16977 and the 14902, all right? The median line is 158. So I don't usually give the exact level. I give the nearest level, okay? So the nearest median line is 158.04. So now we know that the price structure is a consolidation that is taking place here. So professionals are selling on the edge of the level of 16977, and they are looking for opportunity to buy near the level of 14902. Since the beginning of 2013, this is the strategy they have been adopting. So you can see that this is the beginning of 2013. They bought it near the level of 14902, and they sold it near the level 16977. And here it is, a break below it, which is good, and then went back inside. This is good. When you see a break below it and then close inside, you know that it's good, very good. And then they bought it again Here it is in 2015. They bought it again here. And here it is, you see, it went above it. So in that case, if you break above it, we project it. So traders who do not know anything about market geometry, subscribe to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel and check out the video about, market geometry. It looks to me like my median line is not really in the middle. That's what I'm saying to you. It's the nearest number. I just draw it with my hand. I don't measure it. So I'm happy with it like this, okay? But it's not the exact median line as I noticed now, okay? You can calculate that if you want to, okay? So if the price breaks above a channel, so I want to refresh traders who do not know anything about market geometry, we project the width of the channel in the direction of the price. Here it is. You can see as it breaks above the red channel, it tries to go above to the target zone, which is at 19022. Remember that the price does not go up or down for no reason. Okay, so if it's going down, it's heading to a station, so to speak. All right, it's heading to a target, a price target. All right, will it reach the target? That's another matter. All right, but it's always heading to a target. But to reach the target is another matter. So we want to know how to find out where the professionals are making their decision. So if it is below that channel, we project it down like this. And then we'll set a target like this. This is market geometry. And we will also pay attention to the median line of our new channel. You see this one here? How it breaks below this channel. See where it stopped. It stopped near the median line of our new channel that projected down. That's where it did stop. So if you are day trading, or swing trading in the forex market, know where are the target level. That's why I said to traders recently, where the bullish traders are likely to take their profit, where the bearish traders are likely to take their profit. Okay? When you know those places, you can improve your day trading and your swing trading. Where the position traders are likely to take their profit. All right? Because the position trader will move the market for a long time, not they're about to take profits. You want to know where those people are taking their profits, where they are entering the trade, where they are exiting the trade, where they are taking a midpoint profit. Those are the spots you want to focus on, okay? All right? So don't just see any trading setup and just trade it. No. Look for what we call the hot spot trading zone, all right? Find one and then implement a top-down trading method, a multiple time frame trading method, and do that consistently. So if this is new to you, okay, so you're learning now, you say, oh, George, that's a very good point you just make down. I note it down, hotspot trading zone. Okay, I'll work on it. I'll develop the skill. And I will use a demo account and gain more experience. When I'm ready, I'm going to come back and I will use it. I like this very much. Okay, that's the best approach. Okay. So talking about New Zealand dollar, FX day and swing trading tips and tricks. This currency pair, as I told you, is consolidating between a level of 169.77 and a level of 149.02 since the beginning of 2013. So you were here, they sold it here. Okay, where are we now? It came this year. This is this year. This is the month of July. It came quite close to the lower part, that level here. Let's change the color of this red line, the lower part of the channel, into pink. All right, let's change that color, and I'm going to go to the daily chart, and then you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, here. So, how do we play it? So, I was telling you that the price structure, I always say this, all right? So don't get upset. I speak like this whenever I'm using that sentence over and over. I do it on purpose to get traders' attention. So don't get upset when I'm talking like this. The price structure will determine, okay, the appropriate strategy that we will deploy. All right. Now, so what usually takes place, if it's going up from the lower part to the upper side, Some traders are very conservative, so they will not buy here. Some traders do not buy here. They see it go from the lower part, and then it close above the median line. Then they will look for an opportunity to buy above the median line. And the only portion they will trade is from the median line to the top. Okay? On the other hand, if it's going down from the top to the lower part of the consolidation, some traders do not like to sell here. I don't know why. That's how they trade. And they will wait for it. Like you see here, it break below the median line here. Now it bounced up to test it, and they sold it. Those are the sellers that brought it all the way near the low, where the bullish trader push it back up again. So in this candle that we have in July 2016, the price bounced up to retest it. People sold it. Now they push it back down. Either way, it went down and went back up for sure. All right. So remember that. So, but professionals selling at the top of the consolidation, so they will deploy their bearish strategy, oscillators, RSI period 22 or whatever, and they will deploy a specific strategy accordingly to the price structure. And they will implement a top-down trading method. Without a top-down trading method, one is not trading like a pro. Now, I say this all the time, and trader can mark the video down. It's okay with me that I'm saying it, so that those who care about it may do something about it, okay? It's not to insult traders, but to encourage traders to start applying a multiple time frame trading method. And you can learn it at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel for free. All right? We don't charge traders for the videos. So here it is, okay? So now, we know the price structure. I highlight the pink line. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. Here we are, coming up. It's taking a bit longer to come now. Here it is. So now the lower part of our consolidation is the pink line. Here it is. You see how the daily chart, you see? So let's map it up now. So beginning of 2016, that's where I place my vertical line. Look, the price quickly run fast to the upper side of this, the top of the consolidation, and form a double top on a daily chart. As a swing trader, you see this. You want to salivate like a Pavlov dog and sell it nicely. See, bam, 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 bam. Okay, on the edge, draw on the edge. This side and this side, boom. Okay, boom again here. It went up a bit, come back, retest that bearish line, boom. Here it is again. Can you see that? Boom. This is how you want to trade. So if you are using any trading system or trading strategy, this is how you want to trade. On the edge, at a hot spot trading zone, implementing a top-down trading method. So on a daily chart, you see like this, okay, you will validate your trading setup on a higher time frame, for instance, weekly chart, because on the daily chart or monthly chart, and then you now combine the daily chart to the hourly chart. The hourly time frame, the hourly time frame is for the trading signal. If you are using the daily chart as your trading setup, and you will use the 10-minute time frame for the signal. One example of multiple time frame trading method. If the signal fails, you just come out and laugh because you don't want to lose. Okay, you don't want to lose. Okay, you come out. All right, you come. You know, subjects can run. It's not because somebody is running away mean that the person is weak. In trading, sometimes we run away. You run away. Doesn't mean you are weak. So, if the captain say pull back, just pull back. Doesn't make you weak. That doesn't make you a pussy cat. All right, but you just pull it away. So signal fail, just pull out. All right. Okay. Okay. Sometimes you can run away, run fast. Okay. But it doesn't make you weak at all. You're going to come back again, and at the end, you're going to win. All right? All right. Okay. Now, so now we see now. So here it is. So last you see here, beginning of the year, nice setup here, and if you agree, it came again very quite close to the top of the consolidation, and it just boom. Okay, people say no, it's not going anywhere. The bearish traders are determined to keep it that way. Here, they want to sell it here. So you can see that the price was trying to go up. They were just saying, no, orders. This place was littered, okay, literally littered with orders to sell. Orders fill, orders fill, boom, down, okay. Now, he came near the median line. That's what I'm telling you. Some traders do not sell up here. They are very conservative. They want it to break below the median line. Boom. They are selling here. Okay? Will it reach the target? So as I explained to you also, the price is always heading to a target. But it is another matter whether it will reach the target or not. So it makes sense to know the price structure and where is the price heading. Right. So I can assure you that a lot of forex traders are trading the Euro New Zealand dollar, but they don't know where is he going, where is he heading, and they don't even know the price structure that will determine the appropriate strategy that they must deploy. I'm going to go back again. So I'm speaking like this. Let me say, George, are you drunk today? No, not at all. I'll never get drunk. All right. So the point I'm trying to stress on is that the price structure. So now you can see, so we have that channel. I'm going to change this one again into red so I can talk about a red channel. Okay, so if it goes above, we project the width of that channel as I showed you before. You see how I did it? If it goes above, we project it like this. We are mapping, okay, we are mapping the Euro New Zealand dollar. If it goes below it, we project it down. We want to know where is the median line and how it is played. Is it going down from the top to the lower part, or is it going down from the lower part of the consolidation to the upper side of the consolidation? What is the price structure? So when we are talking about the price structure, trader think that, okay, the three major price structure that we are talking about, rising channel, that will determine the strategy that we must deploy. Normally, if the price is in a rising channel and it is trending, remember the price in a rising channel does not mean that it is trending in all cases. Now, some traders will disagree, but those who understand area way will know that it's possible for, okay, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is not an impulsive way, to be in a declining channel or rising channel. All right, that's another matter. But the price structure, rising channel, declining channel, and a horizontal channel. Those are the three major price structure. So, but if you are using it on one single time frame, it's not going to be helpful. You want to use higher time frame, signal time frame, entry time frame. And in each time frame, you are monitoring the price structure. But apart from those price structure, we also have the area wave price structure. So you want to learn about area wave? Subscribe to 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. The zigzag price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. All right? The internal waves of the flat correction will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. You see what we are talking about now? So, so you may get mad with me. In fact, it's okay with me. I'm willing to take the heat for this one. You can say whatever you want, but it's so important that I'm dwelling on it and I'm just getting mad about it. And I want to get your attention, that's all. I'm not trying to insult you, just trying to get your attention. So you stick to it, because sometimes one can learn something and then the next day one forget about it. Okay, it happens many times. You learn something and then you forget about it. It's like a friend of mine from India was telling me a name of a place, Kerala. Is it Kerala? He was encouraging me to visit that place. But then he said to me, you have to YouTube search it. Then I forgot. All right, but I want to learn about that place. And he saw me say, have you checked it out? I said, no, give me the name again. All right. So this is what we are doing here. I want you to remember this so you can work with it. So when we are talking about consolidation, people think all the time about the horizontal channel. No. Consolidation can take place, okay, in a triangle, expanding triangle, descending triangle, ascending triangle. Those are consolidation. So we call them correction. Talking about the price structure, we can also use the fractal pattern. So you may say to me, George, what is a fractal pattern? Go to the Pro Traders YouTube channel and check out fractal pattern. All right. So this is what we are talking about. So if one is trading the New Zealand dollar, one must know the current price structure, and that price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. Have I brainwashed you today? Or I hope so. Okay, in a good way, not in a bad way. All right, so here it is. Always find the price structure and then use the appropriate strategy, and you will be surprised. Even if you lose, you won't feel bad because you know that, okay, I've done my best, and that's all. Okay, that's all. If you go, for instance, to the price is now, what has happened now is that you can see this is what we are talking about. The price structure 1, 2, 3. So the minimum price move is free. So if the price found a support at the lower part of the consolidation, this is another matter here, talking about the price structure 1, 2, 3, minimum price move is free. So it went down from the top, well above the top, in 3 move, 1, 2, 3. Now, possible reversal near the lower part of the consolidation at 149.02. Okay, price structure 1, 2, 3. Minimum price move is free. Okay, now here we have what? A bullish trading setup. This is a bullish trading setup near the lower part of the consolidation. You can see that this candle here, careful, I don't want to move my red line. I'll leave it there. So this candle here got a tail. If we go to the daily chart, hopefully, you see how the price came near this level. This is a bullish trading setup. Now we must implement a top-down trading method. Okay, so I'm going to connect this low to that low, this low here, to this one here. All right. And now you can see that though we have a bullish trading setup near the lower part of the consolidation, the price bounced up, but it hit the median line and it's still coming down. I was telling you that, okay, there are traders that are selling always below the median line of the consolidation. All right. In my view, the euro itself, the euro currency, it's oversold. In my view, the euro is oversold because everything is already being priced into the euro itself. Talking about the trouble of Greece, talking about the Brexit, is all done already. There's no more room for the euro to go down. Has been priced into the euro already. So in this scenario, we will prefer this currency pair, euro New Zealand dollar, to pull back again, preferably, repeat, preferably to retest, okay, this trailer here, the turquoise, this trailer, this one, connecting on the daily chart, preferably pull back to retest that level before bouncing up. That will be a nice scenario, okay? That will be a nice scenario. But if it continues to go up, we want to give priority to bullish signal above the median line at 158.04. Just remember that, okay? If it's going up from the lower part and it crosses above the median line, breakable retest, we give priority to bullish signal above the median line. This is about New Zealand dollar FS day, a swing trade, tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. And of course, I will be busy recording another video okay, to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about New Zealand dollar, FSD, and swing trade tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.